Have you ever wondered how much your bladder can actually hold? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of urine to find out. You might be surprised to know that a child's bladder can hold roughly an ounce of urine for every year of their age. That's right, an 8-year-old could hold up to 8 ounces of urine. Now let's talk about adults. An adult bladder can store a whopping 2.5 cups of urine for 2 to 5 hours. Pretty impressive, right? But how often do we feel the need to empty our bladders? On average, that urge to urinate strikes us 5 to 7 times a day, just about when our bladders have collected around a cup's worth of urine. It's a finely tuned system, balancing fluid intake and outflow to keep us hydrated and healthy. So, next time you feel the urge, remember, your bladder is probably holding about a cup's worth of liquid. Did you know urine was once a key ingredient in soap and cosmetics? Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive into some of these unusual uses of urine in history. Our journey begins with the American Pilgrims. They used urine to make a type of soap called chamber lye. The process involved letting urine sit in a barrel and then mixing it with ashes. This practice might seem strange to us today, but it was quite common back then. Now let's cross the English Channel and visit the ladies of England and France a few centuries ago. They had a rather unique skincare routine. To give their skin a fresh glow, they would either urinate in their hands to soften them, or hold your breath, they would use puppy urine. This might sound shocking to our modern sensibilities, but it was considered a normal part of their beauty regimen. You might be asking, what's the connection between urine and skincare today? Well, the answer lies in a compound called urea. Urea, a component of urine, is replicated synthetically in laboratories today and used in many modern lotions and creams. It's valued for its moisturizing properties and its ability to help the skin absorb other beneficial ingredients more effectively. From soaps to skincare, urine has been a valuable resource in the past. It was not just a waste product to be flushed away, but rather a useful substance with various applications. The practices might have changed over time, and we might not be using actual urine in our products today, but the influence of these historical uses can still be seen in the form of synthetic urea in our skincare products. So, next time you apply your favorite lotion or cream, remember the unusual journey of urine from being a waste product to a key ingredient in skincare. So, urine wasn't just a waste product, but a valuable resource in the past. What if I told you urine was once used in cooking and baking? Yes, it's true. The Chinook Indian tribe had an interesting delicacy known as Chinook olives. This dish was made by soaking acorns in urine for a whopping 5 months. It might not be to everyone's taste today, but back then it was considered a real treat. Now let's travel across the globe to Europe, where bakers had a rather unusual baking ingredient. Before yeast was discovered, bakers used urine to help their bread rise. The ammonia in urine acted as a leavening agent, giving the bread its light and airy texture. It's fascinating to see how different cultures have used urine in their culinary practices, isn't it? While it might seem odd or even a bit gross to us now, these practices were a part of everyday life in those times. Thankfully, our culinary practices have evolved over time. Did you know urine plays a fascinating role in the animal kingdom? Indeed, urine is not just a waste product for many animals. It is a source of nutritional sustenance, a means of communication, and even a tool for survival. Let's start with the delicate butterfly. While they are known for sipping nectar from flowers, butterflies also have a more surprising source for their dietary needs. They sip any urine that has collected on flowers and leaves. It might sound a bit off-putting, but for butterflies, urine is a veritable cocktail of vital vitamins. Moving from the whimsical world of butterflies to the frosty realms of the reindeer, urine serves a different but equally vital role. In the harsh climates where reindeer live, salt is a rare commodity. So how do these hardy creatures supplement their diet? They drink urine. In fact, Siberian sled masters have learned to use this to their advantage. When they want to gather their reindeer to hook them up to the sled, they simply urinate, which attracts the reindeer. The Inuit people, who share the same harsh environments with the reindeer, have also found an ingenious use for urine. They use it to trap wild reindeer. By urinating in a line leading up to a pit concealed with thin slabs of ice, the Inuit create an irresistible trail for the reindeer, leading them straight into the trap. So whether it's providing essential nutrients for a butterfly, acting as a salt supplement for reindeer, or being used as a clever trapping tool by the Inuit, urine plays a myriad of fascinating roles in the animal kingdom. And these are just a few examples. The more we delve into the world of animals, the more we discover the various ingenious ways they use what we often dismiss as waste. Clearly, urine serves more purposes than just waste disposal in the animal kingdom. Ever noticed how your urine can sometimes look or feel different? Foamy urine, for example, might just be a result of a particularly turbulent stream. Other times it could signal proteinuria, where protein molecules enter the urinary stream due to damage in the body's filtration system, often caused by diabetes or hypertension. Meanwhile, brown or Coca-Cola urine is usually caused by a liver dysfunction or a blockage in the bile ducts, potentially indicating a pancreatic tumor. Even in sports, urine has found its place. Major League Baseball players like Moises Alou and Jorge Posada have used urine on their hands to prevent and relieve calluses. And let's not forget about the feelings associated with urination. P-phoria, the sense of release as bladder pressure diminishes, results from the stimulation of nerve endings in the urinary system. On the other hand, shy bladder syndrome, or paruresis, affects 7 to 10% of American men who report difficulty urinating in the presence of others. So, urine can tell us a lot about our health and our bodies. Keep an eye on it.